Forget One UI 7, Samsung Galaxy users. This game-changing Android 16 update is the real deal. Say goodbye to One UI 7. It's time for Samsung Galaxy fans to ditch the Android 15 disaster once and for all. As we charge into 2025, the hype around this essential upgrade with groundbreaking privacy and security features is taking a wild turn. Nobody expected we'd still be talking about One UI 7 by summer. Some Galaxy devices won't even see the update until July, while Samsung's already building momentum with One UI 8, which will ride atop the powerful Android 16. Behind the scenes, Samsung's been busy. The first hint? A leaked benchmark for the base Galaxy S25. And here's the kicker. The S25 running One UI 8 performs up to 32% faster than the same model with One UI 7. Expect the rest of the S25 lineup to surface in leaks soon too. Is this Samsung sorcery, or just raw optimization power? Either way, the Model SM931 running Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite and 12GB RAM crushes expectations. Predictably, the Galaxy S25 showed up in Geekbench SAXS database running One UI 8. But the shocker is in the scores. 3,571 single-core and 9,999 multi-core versus One UI 7's 2,314 and 9,158. That's a massive leap. This means One UI 8 consumes fewer resources, allowing more CPU and GPU performance headroom, and delivers a significantly smoother user experience. More benchmark results are expected soon, but if you want to experience One UI 8 on the S25, grab it on Amazon now. It's $100 off. Remember, software updates can transform real-world performance. While One UI 7 over Android 15 was solid, especially with those max restriction tweaks, One UI 8 steps up security in a big way. Samsung's rushing Android 16 to fix the One UI 7 mess and reclaim ground, especially after Apple finally overtook Samsung as the world's top phone seller. Android 16 is a big deal. It even gives Google's Pixel lineup and other OEMs a chance to compete. The new Advanced Protection mode? It's a total game changer, blocking unsafe networks, yes, even 2G, disabling sideloading, enabling secure browsing, and beefing up anti-theft features. According to Android Authority reports, it's a one-tap toggle that overhauls OS level and third-party app security settings. Samsung must nail the One UI 8 rollout, especially for users with newer flagships like the Galaxy S22, S23, S24, and maybe even the S21 FE, Flip 4, and Z Fold 4. Sam Mobile says the update could start rolling out by late July or early August, just before the Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7 hit shelves, with One UI 8 pre-installed. That hints at a faster rollout than we saw with One UI 7. Our early hands-on? We tested One UI 8 on a Galaxy Z Fold 6, and guess what? It feels a lot like One UI 7. Not surprising, considering Samsung spent nearly 2 years perfecting One UI 7. But One UI 8 seems like a bridge build, focused on refining, not reinventing. And we're already seeing UI tweaks. The File Manager app now boasts a cleaner, more organized design. While subtle, it's a clear signal Samsung is polishing core apps. Same with the Gallery app, incremental but thoughtful upgrades that improve the visual experience. Still, other apps haven't seen changes yet, suggesting One UI 8 is in early development. That said, with the Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7 debuting with One UI 8, we expect more enhancements to land soon. One returning feature? Now brief, Samsung's AI-powered assistant that learns your habits to offer smart tips. Once exclusive to the S25 series, it's now expanding to older flagships like the Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6. The current firmware version, F956BXXU2CUD7, already includes it. Right now, One UI 8 doesn't bring any radical new features, but it's laying the groundwork for major improvements. Think of it as One UI 7 evolved. Don't expect a visual revolution just yet, but do expect a smarter, faster, and more stable experience thanks to Android 16. Samsung knows the stakes. With One UI 7 still rolling out, they must avoid another delay and deliver One UI 8 at full strength. What do you think of this sneak peek at One UI 8? What features are you hoping to see in the final version? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. That's it for today's video. Smash the like button, subscribe for more epic tech news, and we'll catch you in the next one.